Hello students, question is from data structure and algorithm. Okay, question is given as the for in order and pre-order traversal calculate the post order. So in order traversaling is given, pre-order traversaling is given, and we have to find out the pre-order traversal. Okay, but the tree is not given. So from this in order and pre-order, we can identify the tree. See, in order is G D H B E I A F J C. Now A B D G H E I C F I. Okay, now it is not I, it is G. Okay, so this is the given in order and pre-order. Okay, so in order, what you mean? It is the left, traversing left, root, and then right. Pre-order, it means root, left, and then right. Correct. So this will be the pre-order, and we have to find out what will be the post order. Okay, the post order will be left, right, and then root. So traversal will go like this way, this thing, and this thing. Okay, so first thing is we shall see what will be the tree accordingly. Okay, just check the pre-order, scan the pre-order from this from left to right. Okay, so here pre-order means what? Root, left and right. Okay, so definitely A is the base root, A is the main root. Okay, then B D H. Okay, and then E I C F J. Okay, so B will be the left part. Okay, and D G H. Okay, so D will be the next. So this again D will come here, and G and H, and this E, and then I. Okay, just verify with the in order. Okay, in order is what? Left, root, and right. Okay, this is left. So G D H, left, root, and right. Correct. So this part is correct. Then B E I, B again root will come, right. So left over. So B will come, B right. So E I, E I. Now A is the root. So definitely among these will be the right part of this particular tree. Okay. So C will be the root. Okay, now there are two options. Whether I'm just considering, see, this will be like this will be definitely like this will be F. Okay, so there are two condition. Okay, we can put J over here or J over here. Okay, but now which will be correct now? Okay, so just check it here. First here, pre-order is what? CFJ. Okay, left, root, left, right. According to this one is correct, right? But if we check the in order part, this is FJC. Okay, so it means left, root, and right means left. Then where is the root? Root is not J. Okay, so this won't be correct, so this will be wrong. According to this will be wrong. Now check this one. This will be FJC. Okay, left, fine, this is the left part, F. Then because this is a right, already no left is there. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this will be F, then this will be the J, and then root part will come. Okay, because there is no right, this won't be considered. Now check the pre-order traversal. If you check the pre-order traversal, what will be? Pre-order traversal will be CFJ, right? Root, left, no right is there, here right is there, so we will go this right. Okay, so this will be the final one. This is wrong, don't consider this part. Okay, this is the final part. So from this one only we have to find out the post order value. So what will be the post order then? Post order will be left, right, and root, right? So left is what? Left is G H, then root D. Now again left is there. Okay, this is the root part, fine. So this will be IEB, I, because left is not there, right is there, so I, E, and then root, again root, after then again left, right? So left is not there here, there is no left, then right will come, so J, then again after left right will come, right is already over, so root will come, so F. Okay, then again no right is there, so C is coming, C and A, so this will be the post order value. Okay, so which option is matching? G, H, D, I, E, J, sorry, I, E. Okay, A is not matching. Now check the B option, G, H, D, I, E, B, J, F, C, A, O. So this is matching, so the answer is B. Thank you.